How to turn job servicing into your full-time career? Is that even possible? How fast can you go full-time? During uncertain times like these, many of us wish to create additional income as a backup plan. But what if I tell you that it is very possible to start a job servicing business and go full-time with it? In this video, I'm going to show you how to go full-time with job servicing. Hi guys, welcome back to Supermom TV, the channel that brings you the best tips, strategies and tools for building a profitable online business. In this channel, I'll be sharing how you can grow your online business just like what I'm doing today. So if you are new here, do consider subscribing to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. I'm doing job servicing full-time together with my dropshipping and coaching business, with the latter taking most of my work time, and yet I'm able to earn a full-time income from doing job servicing. My definition of a full-time income is an average monthly salary of a full-time employed person. I did a quick search to find out how much is an average Singapore resident getting for their monthly pay, and here's the result. As of January 2020, the average salary in Singapore is $5,783. In this video, I'll be breaking down for you the 7 steps towards doing full-time job servicing and to replace your employment income. Step 1 is to pick a service to sell. For this step, you'll need not just any service, but a service that is popular and in demand. For a start, do a market research on your local demographics. Focus on your local customers first because you'll have a better grasp of what the local market needs is. As you grow, you can expand your network and go global with your services. Check out my playlist here to learn 6 different types of job servicing niches. Step 2 is to source for freelancer. Find good, reliable and efficient freelancers to work with for the services that you have decided to promote. This step is very crucial for your job servicing success because you'll need to work very closely with them. I have been working with freelancers for the past 7 years and they help my business grow tremendously. Find out how to source for good freelancers in this video here, whereby I reveal to you the 4 steps on how you can choose a good freelancer. Step number 3 is to determine a target audience. Determining a target audience allows you to focus your marketing efforts in the most cost-effective way. After knowing who to target, your marketing messages will be more defined. You can often discover exactly how you can meet clients' needs through careful market research. For this step, you can do a daily outreach to your target clients through emails, DMs, and cold callings. Focus on this group of people, understand their needs, and you can convert the leads to sales more effectively. Step number 4 is to price the service. Set an attractive price to attract clients. Do a thorough research on how much other competitors are charging and offer a more competitive price. Step number 5 is to market the service. List your service on different platforms, as many as possible. You can promote on online marketplaces and social media platforms to do a market testing. This step is very effective in getting leads organically. Step number 6 is to convert to sales. With a good product that can help your clients, an attractive price, a good offer, and combined with a great customer service from you, you will be able to convert the lead to sales in no time. Most of my new students are able to close deals in less than 2 weeks after they start job servicing. Here are some of the actual experience from my students. They have been consistently making sales and closing deals from the start of this job servicing business. There's even one student that managed to close a big deal of 4-figure within 2 weeks of starting this business. Here's a good example of how much a new job servicing business earns in a month. I'm on this site called Flipper. Flipper is a marketplace that website owners sell or flip websites for a profit. We want to select established e-commerce type of websites that sells digital products. And this is a job service store that sells logo design. We want to take a look at how much this rather new website earns per month. Easy SMM is a social media marketing reseller site, which is a job servicing site. They mainly sell SEO and social media services. This site is only 8 months old and has an average of $4,344 of net profit per month. You can view their monthly profit here. The first month was only $250, but it goes up to $9,000 net profit in the 4th month. The rest are in the range of $4,000 plus, and these are all in the US dollars. So I mentioned earlier that the average salary for Singaporeans are about $5,800, and if we convert this figure, $4,344 to Singapore dollars, it will be about 6,000 Singapore dollars. And this proves that it is a very huge opportunity for you to go full-time doing job servicing. I have spent several years doing drop shipping and I did not get to earn this amount. But for the first 10 days of starting my own drop servicing business, I managed to make $5,600 due to a challenge. The system and the strategies that I use to generate this income can be found on my Ultimate Drop Servicing 2.0 course. You can check out this course and I will leave a link down in the description box below. And if you are interested to know the story of how I made $5,600 in 10 days time, you can watch my video over here. Step 7 is to reinvest the profit to grow your business. Now we start to see good profit in our drop servicing business. It is time to take a portion of the profit and reinvest back into the business through paid marketing such as Facebook and Google Ads. Step number 8 is to set up a website and scale up your business. This last step involves scaling the business so that you have consistent and constantly growing income. It is time to focus on our efforts to building a brand for your business. So having a website will be necessary. A drop servicing website will be your main identity and also main source of lead generation. Drop servicing business requires very low startup, and that's the number one reason why this business is ideal for you to go full-time. There are many online businesses that I've tried over the past 8 years, and drop servicing produces the fastest results and is the most lucrative as well. I hope today's video is going to help you in your drop servicing journey. Which step that I mentioned today has helped you open up your mind? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.